Okay, so first of all, I'm going back to lift tours. So my Newport and Manchester lift tours will still say all lift. I'll still say this will be all of the lifts, and I'll still have the all lifts intro. But I'm going to be calling them lift tours. It's just easier. It will stand out to more people. So yeah, it's been a while, but I've made another animated lift tour. Now, I actually started this before Roblox went down. I actually started quite a long time ago. Well, no, I think possibly over a month ago. So, today I finally decided to come back to it and finish it. Seeing as Roblox is down, so I thought, well, I can make some animated lift tours. I might do some Scratch content as well. Probably not Scratch Fun, that's a long discontinued series, but probably some Scratch content. I don't know. We'll see how long Roblox is down for. This might be my last video until Roblox is back up, but it depends on how long it's down for. But anyway, yeah, this will be another animated lift tour at the Pearl Retail Park. I'm gonna try and make this I've tried to make this animated lift tour a bit more realistic than the Pearl Shopping Centre one, but it's still not very realistic. But it's Microsoft PowerPoint, so yeah, guys, just could you appreciate my work, please? So this is the basic information. So it was built in 2015, 24 units of different sizes. No tenant changes. No units have changed owners. All the occupiers are original from 2015. And there's 14 lifts, 2 being sets, but some of these lifts are platform lifts. So there are 14 lifts. So there's a lift in Tesco. So the lifts we're going to be filming are Tesco Extra, John Lewis, Primark, Marks and Spencer, Sports Direct, HomeSense, Next Home, H&M, TK Maxx, New Look, and the 4 lifts that we're not going to film are River Island, Furniture Village, Dreams, and Holford's. Oh no, Pets at Home, sorry. So yeah, and Pets at Home has Dreams has a Phoenix, like a newer Phoenix with Dewhurst. Pets at Home has an Aritzco. Furniture Village has an Aritzco. Gartic Aritzco. And River Island has a Gartic Aritzco. So yeah. So Wren Kitchens, Holford's, Boots, Curry's. They don't have lifts. Of course, Pizza Hut, Argos, Superdrug, and McDonald's have lifts, and Decathlon and Waitrose have lifts. And by the way, Waitrose is joined to John Lewis. So the first shop we're going to go to is Marks and Spencer. Let's do Marks and Spencer's first. The lift here is an Otis GeN2 with Lumina fixtures. Let's go up to 1. Here at 1. The next lift we're going to go to is the one Sports Direct, which is a Stannah. Hydraulic. Oh, that was a bit violent. Here at 1. It's quite slow. It's quite slow for hydraulic. Oh! Didn't do pre-doors, but opened the doors as soon as it stopped moving. I know it's called advanced door opening, but that's a bit of a glitch. Let's just ignore that. But I just call it pre-doors, I just find it easier. Okay, next let's do HomeSense, which has a Gen 2 selector. However, I've not been able to animate selector, so it's Lumina. Here are 1. That's it. Next into Next Home, which has a Tecno MRL. Hit 1. Okay, I didn't really realise a lot of these had that glitch. Next into H&M, which has a really nice design series EcoDisc. This could be my favourite lift. I don't know. Maybe I prefer. Oh, maybe I prefer the Primark ones or the John Lewis one. I don't really know. Here, anyway, here it is. Let's go to 1. Next into TK Maxx, which has a selector Gen 2, like HomeSense. These are quite speedy as well. The TK Maxx and HomeSense ones. Next into New Look, which has a really nice KSS 280 EcoDisc. Let's go to 1. Not been able to add an indicator on this one. Here at 1. And that's it. Next into Primark, which has a set of 2 glass KSS 140 EcoDiscs. These are really nice. These are pre-doors as well. And they have a nice blue, blue stuff around the glass. Next into Tesco, which has a Gen 2 with selector. At 1, and that's it. And finally to John Lewis, which has some John Lewis and Waitrose connected. I already said that, sorry. It has a set of 2 KSS 570 EcoDiscs. These also do pre-doors. Oh no, I think they could have originally done pre-doors, but I think they disabled them. Oh, just ignore that, I've put 0 there. There's no up arrows. Oh, I kind of messed this one up. Sorry about that, guys. Yeah, anyways, I hope you've enjoyed us. I know it had a bit of some fails in this video, but yeah, I mean, it's just a small project. And that's it.